Hi everyone, this is Ivan from WebWash, and in this video we'll look at two modules that can help you test responsive themes directly within Drupal. And we'll also look at a few generic ways of testing responsive websites. As always, this video is brought to you by WebWash. If you want to learn more about Drupal, head over to webwash.net where you can find in-depth tutorials, articles, and videos about Drupal. Or, if you like, follow us on Twitter at webwash.net. Whenever you're developing a responsive theme in Drupal or on any website, the simplest way of testing the responsiveness of the theme is to resize the browser. You narrow the browser window, yep, looks good, and you keep on developing. There are tools and methods out there that makes testing easier. The first two that we'll look into are Drupal modules, the mobile adaptive test and the adaptive layout tester module. The mobile adaptive test module is simple to set up. Just enable, assign the right permission, and you're good to go. Once the module is enabled, you'll be greeted by this red mobile button. When you click on the button, the current page is simply displayed as an iframe within the outline of a mobile. You can also change the orientation from landscape to portrait, and if you select Android, you can choose a bunch of resolutions. The iframe can also be displayed as a tablet or a laptop, and that's it. The next module I want to show you is the Adaptive Layout Tester module. This module is similar to the previous one we just looked at. Just enable the module and click on this white icon. You can choose different widths by clicking on these buttons or add a custom width by adding a value to the text field. One important note, this module only works in Chrome. The next two testing tools are actual websites. The first one is Responsiveness.com. It's a simple website. Just add the URL to the site you want to test into the text field and click on Go. Responsiveness then displays the site in a bunch of different iframe sizes which are framed as phones and tablets. Another website that offers similar functionality is responsive.is. Just add the URL to the site you want to test into the text field and click on Go. Then choose the device you want to test as by clicking on these buttons. Simple. Next, the Chrome browser ships with a settings option that allows you to override the screen resolution for a specific tab. It'll make sense once I show you. Open up Chrome and go to the Developer Tools. Click on the cogwheel in the bottom right and click on Overrides. Check the Device Metrics checkbox and add a width and height to the screen resolution section. Now, the view of the web page has changed to the width and height specified. If you close the Developer Tools, the screen size resets. The Web Developer extension for Firefox comes with an option where you can view the current page in a bunch of mobile and tablet layouts. Just install the extension from the Firefox add-on site and click on Resize and view responsive layouts. From this page, you can see the different sizes and devices. The final tool I want to show you is the iOS simulator that ships with Xcode on OS X. This is only available for people who develop on a Mac and use OS X. Just go to the Mac App Store and download Xcode, or you can download it from Apple's developer site. It's free, but the file size is about 1.6 gig. Once you have downloaded and installed Xcode, go to the Xcode Preferences and Downloads. Select which simulator you want to download, and that's it. To run the simulator, open Xcode and go to the Open Developer tool and click on iOS Simulator. Open the Safari app and test away. You can also switch between iPhone, iPad Retina and non-Retina. From within the Safari browser, you can access your local host sites and sites that are already on the internet without any extra configuration. Well, that's it for this video. Head over to the video description to find links to all the tools mentioned. If you have any questions, please leave a comment, and thanks for watching.